So, a very good evening to all of you, and I welcome you all to the first session of our uh, series on Google Apps. Now, before we start with this, what I know you all have your Gmail accounts. Many of you have already logged into the Google Workspace classroom. We have our own classroom now, so all the resources will be shared. You all can chat there. So there's a stream on the first page where we all can chat once you are in the Google Classroom. So if you have any doubts, maybe you can ask one another the way we used to do in school. So in school, remember, like ये नहीं आ रहा है, वो नहीं समझ में आया, ये बता दे. So all that you can do in the Google Classroom in the chat. I'm going to create a Google chat as well, but where I'll create that when we start with chat so that you'll be a little comfortable with that. Before I start today's session, uh, now that we are doing this course, we know that we all are netizens. Now, when we are netizens, that means we have to be very careful about our safety. It is very important to be safe because being on net gives us access to the whole world. Likewise, the whole world is also getting access to our info. So we have to be very careful. So I want to take up those things first of all, and then we will move on to the first session. Today we are going to cover Google Drive. Okay. Now you all have to have a password. What do you think are the characteristics of a good password? Maybe you can quickly unmute and speak, and those who are unable to can write it in the messages. What do you think is a strong password? Could you
It should
please?
have special characters, numbers, and
Okay,
capital and small letters.
okay,
Mixture of
okay.
all these.
Yeah. Could you quickly give me an example of a password in your in the chat? Can you share your passwords with me?
It should not be something which somebody will easily know about your life.
Right? It's just something that people should not know easily about you. Like, would you please share your passwords with me?
This is an example which I have given in chat. L for life hashtag.
Okay. So, like, would you share your passwords with me? That's what I'm asking you
I
because,
cannot. We cannot share our passwords with you because it will
right?
give you the access.
Yes. So, most importantly, even if I'm your teacher, even if I'm there with you people and you people trust me like with your life, you cannot give me your passwords. Trust me with your life, but not with your passwords. Most importantly. So, like, never ever share your password with anyone. Okay, spouse is a different thing, children is another thing. But like never ever share your passwords with anyone. That is a given. Please remember that we do not share our passwords with anyone. Why? Because then there are so many things that we upload on our drive. There are so many things that we keep there. Maybe account details, maybe your passwords for other accounts, and we cannot give access to people about to those things. So never ever share your password with anyone. That is a given. It is the biggest rule. Apart from that, what do you think should be the length of a password?
Minimum 8 characters.
Minimum eight to nine characters.
Yes, very good. It has to be like it can be up to 15 characters. The strongest passwords like they have 64 characters, but then we cannot remember them. So, like a good password should have up to 8 characters. At least 8 characters should be there in a password, in a good password, and a good password should have all these things: capital letters, small letters, symbols, and numbers as Rachna put. So all these things have to be there. If you do something like that, then it is a very good password. Now, whenever you're choosing numbers, which numbers should you not choose while deciding on a password?
Your birth date.
Your birthday, your year of birth, please. Many like Shruti dot 1010 etc etc. That is how we create our Gmail accounts also. Yeah, okay, creating an account is fine, but then we are giving away very important information. So, most importantly, please do not give any numbers. Okay, give random numbers. Now, but while creating random numbers, we need to remember. It is very important that you remember the password. So, what can be done to remember the password? So, many a times, like nowadays, because we all are into SMS and 141 character messages, so we know कि numbers stand for words as well. So like Rachna has used L for life hashtag, so something like that. Yes, because there four is not four, it is four. So maybe you can create something which you'll remember. So for instance, like if I were to make any password, what would I do? I would maybe if I want to use four or two, instead of writing that, I would use the number. So numeric helps me there. Or maybe you can think of something, make a word which has these things. You just remember the word that is there. So commonly used symbols are at, like people use at a lot. Maybe you can make use of the smileys, like you can make emoticons using the symbols. So it helps you to remember. But they are very random. You need not have the close parentheses only. You can also make use of curly brackets or square brackets. So that makes your password unique. तर मी सांगत होते की like whenever like I want all of you who all are present to put a password. Give me an example of a strong password here. So I will just quickly go through them and glance them and tell you whether they are really good or not. Okay, and why they are not good if they are not good. Okay, so me like anyone who wants me to tell all this in Marathi one more time, please feel free to tell me. So I'll take you over this once again. Are you all comfortable with English?
Yes, I think nobody's responding, so we should take it as a yes, I guess.
Yeah. See, if you hesitate, loss is all yours. So please don't hesitate. We all are in Maharashtra. So it's perfectly all right if you want me to explain in Marathi. If there's anyone who wants me to explain in Marathi. Okay, so there's one yes means I gather that it is for Marathi. Could you please write Y or N one more time so I'll just understand that. Yes, Lata.
Excuse me.
Yes.
Can you
Yeah.
hear me, Shruti ji?
Yes, I can hear you. Please tell me.
I'm not. I'm audible.
Yes, you are audible, Lata. Please
You
go
are
ahead.
not audible for me.
Am I audible to everyone else?
Yes, you are audible.
Okay, English is fine or Hindi is fine. I don't know Marathi language.
Okay, so English is fine by you. I will tell in Marathi as well. And like if in case you are stuck anywhere, please let me know. I will translate that in Hindi as well. I'm okay with all three languages. Okay, so there are some who want me to explain in Marathi as well. तर आम्ही आपण हे डिस्कस करत होतो की आपण जेव्हा आपण अकाउंट्स बनवतो आपण गुगलवर एवढं काम करणार आहोत आपण भरपूर काय काय शेअर करतो
You are not
इन्फॉर्मेशन.
audible, Shruti ji, for me.
Lata, I would request you to please check your connection because I'm audible to everyone else.
Yes, yes,
Okay,
audible.
fine.
सो मी हे सांगत होते की वेनेवर जेव्हा आपण पासवर्ड बनवतो आपण सगळ्यात पहिलं आपण आपला पासवर्ड कधीही कोणाबरोबरही शेअर करत नाही. व्हॉट्सअपवर SMS मध्ये तर कधीही पाठवत नाही कोणालाही. जर नवऱ्यालाही सांगायचं असेल तर तुम्ही तोंडी सांगा, पाठवू नका. ओके आणि कधीच सांगू नका माझा जीमेल पासवर्ड करून पाठवलंय कारण की कैकदा असं असतं आपण फोन कुठेही ठेवतो कधी आपला फोन मिसप्लेस पण होऊ शकतो तर त्या कंडिशन मध्ये आपण आपल्याला एक्सपोज करतोय तर सगळ्यात पहिली गोष्ट आपला पासवर्ड कुणीही कितीही ट्रस्टवर्दी माणूस असो कितीही विश्वासू असो कधीही कोणाला सांगायचा नाही आता जेव्हा आपण पासवर्ड ठरवतो तर तो कमीत कमी 8 कॅरेक्टर्सच्या लांबीचा असायला पाहिजे 8 कॅरेक्टर्स म्हणजे त्याच्यामध्ये 8 अक्षर असायला पाहिजे 8 लेटर्स असायला पाहिजे असं जसं आपण जर मी म्हटलं अमर तर अमर मध्ये म र 3 कॅरेक्टर्स आहेत 3 अक्षर आहेत तसं तो 8 अक्षर किंवा 8 कॅरेक्टर्सचा कमीत कमी असायला पाहिजे आणि जेव्हा आपण तो लिहितो कारण की आपण तो इंग्लिशमध्येच लिहितो तर इंग्लिशमध्ये आपल्याला माहिती आहे की कॅपिटल लेटर आणि स्मॉल लेटर्स असतात जसं मराठी हिंदीमध्ये आपल्याला एकच असतं त्यात छोटी मोठी अशी काही लिपी नसते पण इंग्लिशमध्ये आपल्याजवळ कॅपिटल आणि स्मॉल लेटर्स असतात ते आपल्याला कॅपिटल लेटर्स असायला पाहिजेत आपल्याला स्मॉल लेटर्स असायला पाहिजेत आपल्याला नंबर असायला पाहिजे आणि आपल्याला कॅरेक्टर सिम्बल असायला पाहिजे सिम्बल म्हणजे आपण आपण बघतो आपल्या लॅपटॉपवर किंवा मोबाईलमध्ये एक्सक्लेमेशन मार्क असतो, ऍट असतो, कोलन, कॉमा, फुल स्टॉप, पर्सेंटेज अँड, हॅशटॅग, हे सगळे सिम्बल्स आहेत, हे सगळे कॅरेक्टर्स आहेत. तर हे सगळे सिम्बल्स आपण वापरू शकतो कुठलेही. तर हे सगळं वापरून आपण आपला पासवर्ड कायम बनवायला पाहिजे. तर जसं रचना गणपुलेनी इथे टाकलंय एल फॉर लाईफ हॅशटॅग. तर हा एक बरोबर आहे पासवर्ड, हा एक स्ट्रॉंग पासवर्ड आहे. आता तारा मे 567. आता हा- आता हा मला वाटत हा काय कोणाचं तरी नाव आहे. आता जर मला हा माणूस माहित असेल तर मला खूप सोपं जाईल हा एक गेस करणं. तर त्यामुळे नाव कधीही ठेवू नये पासवर्ड मध्ये. प्लीज डोंट कीप युअर नेम इन द पासवर्ड. सो लाईक Shruti 123 is a very bad password. Shruti 1010 is again a very bad password because I'm giving away my date of birth. So please don't write a password like that. Also, Lata, may I request you to please mute yourself?
Shruti, let me put it in chat. I think if she's not able to hear you.
I have muted her. I have muted her.
Okay.
Yeah. So the thing is, like, so that would not be a very good password. Besides, first letter capital, many people do that. So try to make your second or third letter capital, which is again not many people do. Okay, and there are no symbols in this Neeraja, so like we need to work on the password again. Shivani, SK at simple for you. This is a good password. Yeah, this will do. Anyone is Yashodhara ji, anyone cannot be a password. I think you were trying to say something and not putting a password there. So I got only three, four passwords. Please try again quickly. Give me like I'll give you 2 minutes to write a good password and write and send here in the chat. कविता एक पासवर्ड लिहून पाठवा याच्यात. This is a very good password, Manasi. Would you be able to remember that? If yes, nothing like it, then it is a really very good password. So many times we do remember, like
Yes.
if I have to remember, yeah. So like
Yes,
if I have to
I can.
remember Shubham, so maybe I'll put
Yeah.
S for Shubham and I'll remember S at where you might be or something like that. Yeah. So it's a very good password. Very good,
Thank
very
you.
strong password. Yeah.
Thank you.
Now Raj at 29AXE is not a very good password. I know your name is Rajasi, so it was very easy to remember that okay, 29th is your date of birth or again. As I know your son, so I know where it is coming from. So it's not a very good password. I'll remember it very easily, right? So like if you are sharing, so it is not a very good password, Rajasi. AEIOU now, Shubhangi. Uh, a good password, but the thing is, vowels everyone remembers as AEIOU. So try to not keep something which, because when if I'm trying to hack into your password, I'm not going to put everything. I'm going to write a code. So what the code is going to read is, it will just check AEI. It is going to make a connection.
Okay.
Okay, so that is why AEIOU would be a very bad choice for alphabet. But yeah, if you write small a, capital E, small I, so maybe then also
Yeah, that can be
it would be
changed.
a little difficult, but not uncrackable.
Okay. Thank you.
So yeah. Error at 1903. कविता जी हा पासवर्ड चांगला पासवर्ड नाहीये का? कारण की जर मी कोड लिहिते, जर मी कॉम्प्युटर प्रमाणे लिहिते तर त्याला पटकन कळेल की ERR, अच्छा बहुतेक हा शब्द असू शकतो. तुम्ही बघता आपण जेव्हा व्हॉट्सअप करतो तो स्वतःच शब्द गेस करतो. त्याला माहित असतं की तुम्हाला काय टाईप करायचं असेल. तुम्ही तर सांगितलं पण नाहीये काय शब्द टाकायचा आहे. बरोबर आहे? तर तसंच तो कोड पण तुमचा पासवर्ड गेस करू शकतो. म्हणून प्रॉपर शब्द कधीही टाकू नये. So like I hope you people are like you've understood what makes for a good or a bad password now. उसके बाद में what is important is on WhatsApp whenever we read messages nowadays we get n number of forwards. and then we were told कि भाई like admin will be responsible if there is any message that is spread around which is wrong information or something like that. In that case, what do we do? How do we check the authenticity of a message? First of all, please refrain from sending the message immediately to multiple groups. If you've got a message, please read it. You might like it very much, but you are not sure whether it is a right message or not. I'm not talking about jokes. I'm talking about things that keep coming which can create कविताजी मी तुम्हाला सांगेन की तुमचा सरनेम नका टाकू तुमचं नाव कुठेही नका टाकू तुमच्या ईमेल आय डी तुमच्या पासवर्ड मध्ये दिस इज अ गुड पासवर्ड ग्रीन colon 1 yes Rajini this can stand as a good password, not a very strong password but a medium password, yeah. So the thing is, like whenever you get something where you are not very sure, when the message can be questionable, how do we check for that? You can Google it. So do we check only once? कि पहली site जिसने हाँ बोला that we accept? No. What we do is we follow at least three websites, three random websites. You check those, and if the info is consistent, then only we say that it is an authentic information. So that is very important. And the last thing that I wanted to tell you about your security is that now that we all are on online and we do a lot of shopping online, we do. You want me to suggest two, three good passwords? Sure, definitely. I'll share with you. Once I'm done with this, I'll be giving you some activities to do. While you do the activities, I'll give you a couple of examples for good passwords. Okay. Whenever you are looking for a site, let's suppose I shop a lot on Amazon.com or Amazon.in. So in that case, usually we know, I think you all know, you have to look for the HTTPS, that log has to be taken care of. जेव्हा पण आपण ऍड्रेस बार मध्ये बघतो आता पण जर तुम्ही बघत असाल तर तुम्हाला माहिती आहे तो एक लॉक असतो ऍड्रेस बार मध्ये किंवा HTTPS लिहिलेलं असतं म्हणजे एस म्हणजे सिक्युअर आहे. पण आजकाल कसं झालंय की प्रत्येक वेबसाईट HTTPS वरनं सुरू होते तर तुम्ही नक्की नाही सांगू शकत की बाबा ही साईट जी आहे ही ऑथेंटिक आहे की नाही. स्पेलिंग बघा. अच्छा एकदा असं असतं की तो सेम दिसते सिमिलर दिसते पण अमेझॉन जर आहे पण तो झेडच्या ऐवजी एस आला किंवा SONN आला तर काही असं असतं की स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक असतो. So you have to be very careful when you're checking any website, whether you're on the authentic website or not. कारण की असं होतं का एकदा की आपण मी इथूनच शॉपिंग केली होती पण तो रॉंग वेबसाईट होता. तर फिशिंगचा चान्स असतो. तुमचा क्रेडिट कार्डचे डिटेल्स किंवा डेबिट कार्डचे डिटेल्स जाऊ शकतात. तुम्ही म्हणाल की तुमचा पासवर्ड तुमच्याजवळ आहे पण तुमचे बाकी डिटेल्स त्यांच्याजवळ गेले आहेत आणि खूप financial frauds होत असतात. So you have to be very careful about all these things. Check not only for the HTTPS sign on the website address, also look for the spelling. When you open a website, you'll get an idea whether it looks professional or not. It does, like if the word is shabby, shady, then it is not an authentic website. If it is asking you for personal information, not necessarily that it is an authentic website. Okay, and whenever you are giving personal information, it is not necessary that every time you have to give your real information. Please understand that. Nowadays, if you look for Google, they ask you whether you choose to give certain information or not. So in that case, be careful. No need to give the information. Let's not be happy giving our information to everyone. आपण सगळ्यांना आपली सगळी माहिती नाही द्यायची. जर ते म्हणतात जेंडर मेल फिमेल अदर I go for other. I don't want them to identify whether I am a male or a female or a transgender. आणि तो कंपल्सरी नाही आहे. फक्त जिथे स्टार मार्क असतो जे रिक्वायर्ड असतात जिथे तुमची ऑथेंटिक इन्फॉर्मेशन लागते ओनली फिल दोज. Wherever it is not a required thing, don't give the info. The less we give, the safer we are. आपण जितकी कमी माहिती आपल्याबद्दल देतो तेवढे आपण सेफ आहोत ऑनलाईन. So that was all about the security aspect of being a netizen. Now, apart from that, now that we are on the Google Workspace, all that we do, it all goes into your Google Drive. Okay, so what we are going to do is we are going to start our session from Google Drive. So what is Google Drive? Google Drive is like your cupboard. So in your Almira, you keep all your things. And then how do you keep things? You keep things in the different orders. Like this shelf is only for my clothes. This is for my innerwear. Maybe this is for my jewelry. Locker is for keeping the money. Here I will keep my husband's things, my child's things, and so on and so forth. So when you are doing these things in the same manner, we need to work on our Google Drive also so that the information that is going in your drive is easily retrievable. So how do we do that? Let me quickly share my screen. Any doubts anywhere? English, Marathi, कुठेही काही doubt असेल तर please सांगा. Is the screen shared? Okay. Um, I hope you all can see this. This is the Google Drive. How do you go on a Google Drive? So either you can write in the Omnibar drive.google.com. Either you can go like this. But what we commonly do is we go here, we go into mail. When you are into your mail, okay, I don't have it. Okay, when you go into your mail, you click on these 9 dots. It is called as a waffle. The 9 dots are called as waffle. Okay, तर तुम्ही काय करता? तुम्ही ह्या 9 dots मध्ये जाता, इथे जाऊन क्लिक करता आणि इथे तुम्हाला सगळे ऍप्स मिळतात. सगळे गुगल ऍप्स, ऑल द गुगल ऍप्स आर अवेलेबल हिअर. Okay, so you have all the apps here. So you have Maps, YouTube, Play, News, Gmail, Meet. This is a drive icon. So either you click here or you just go in the browser and type drive. So whichever account you are logged in from, that account ka drive will open up. So I'm not going to, so you just have to do this. So whichever account you are logged in, if you look here, I am logged in right from right here. I logged in using my account that I've created for GCE. So hshrutigce@gmail.com. So this is the drive with that. If I were logged in using my another Gmail account, then I would have logged in using that. Okay. Now that I am here, this is our drive, and how does it feel? This is my drive. If I'm sharing anything with you, then it comes into shared with me. Okay. What we have to do is whenever we have to upload anything, what do we do? The way we have shelves in the cupboard, in the same manner, we have folders in the drive. We can create folders. We can also put things just like that with randomly without creating any folders. So whenever you click on new, जेव्हा तुम्ही न्यू वर जाता तुमच्याजवळ हे सगळे ऑप्शन्स असतात. फोल्डर, जेव्हा आपण फोल्डरवर क्लिक करतो तेव्हा आपल्याजवळ एक नवीन फोल्डर बनतो. तर जसं मी फोल्डर क्लिक केला आणि आपण याला काही पण नाव देऊ शकतो. सपोज आपण याला इनरव्हील नाव दिला. तर माझ्याजवळ एक इनरव्हील नावाचा फोल्डर तयार झाला. आता मल्टिपल फोल्डर्स असतील. आता मला या फोल्डरला जर मला समजत नाही की बाबा कलरनी पटकन ओळखता येत नाही, तर व्हॉट वी कॅन डू इज वी कॅन येस
So is it possible for you to take an example in the drive where there are a lot of things, because this is a pretty empty drive for us to.
you want me to take a drive where there are things? Okay,
Yeah.
then I'll have to log into my general account. Fine, let me
Sorry,
do
but
that
it
for
would
you.
just be a little easier.
No, no worries, no worries. Okay, I'll do that for you.
Thank you
So
so much.
let me log into my normal account.
But my drive is always over full. It keeps showing.
Yeah, no worries, no worries. So, okay, so here is another drive that I have. Okay, this is the drive which I am using my account. Now you can see there's a lot of things there are a lot of things that are there. Now in the drive you can always list your things in two manners. Either you can list them like this, or you can list them like this. Tile or list. So that was a list, and this is a tile. So you can always put your folders like this also. Now let's suppose there are multiple folders and I want to remember them through color coding. All that I need to do is like you. Let's suppose I want to color code this drive, this folder. So what do? I go here. There's an option called change color. Now choose. So it has become a red folder. So I'll remember, okay, this is a red color. All my red things maybe are related to school. Maybe all my blue things are related to workspace. Whatever is green is my home space. Things like that. So you can always do it like you can always color code your folders. There are two ways of listing your folders. Either you can put them as tabs. You have this option here on top right. You have list view. So now if I this is the tab view. Now if I or tile view, and if I click here, now I've got the list view. So I've got all the lists here. Okay. So it will always show the folders first and then the
How
other.
do you how how would you do it on a MacBook, because we don't have that right click na to
Uh,
change the color?
on MacBook, I'll have to check. I am more comfortable using this. But MacBook, they have their own OS, right? So are you able to use Google on MacBook?
Yeah.
You're able to do.
Yeah.
I have to check. I really have no idea. I'll have to check, and maybe Sunday I'll get back to you regarding that.
This Sunday also we'll have class. It's Rakhi, na?
Yeah, we'll talk about that as well. I think we should concentrate at on one thing at a time.
Okay.
Okay. So how do we create a folder? I'll tell you again. मी एकदा परत सांगते फोल्डर कसा बनवायचा. तर आपण न्यू वर क्लिक करायचं कायम. जेव्हा आपण न्यू वर क्लिक करतो तर आपल्याजवळ एक फोल्डर असा ऑप्शन येतो. ओके. जेव्हा आपण फोल्डरचा ऑप्शन येतो, जर आपण फोल्डरवर क्लिक केला तर आपल्याजवळ हा एक फोल्डरचा ऑप्शन आला. आपण याला काहीही नाव देऊ शकतो. आता इथे मी परत फोल्डर बनवते. मी हा फोल्डर बनवला इनर व्ही. ओके. आणि मी क्लिक केलं क्रिएट. तर हा फोल्डर माझा तयार झाला इथे. ठीक आहे. आता मी याचा रंग चेंज करते. म्हणजे याच्यावर जाऊन राईट क्लिक केल्यावर मला चेंज कलरचा ऑप्शन येतो आणि मी याला पिंक कलर देते. तर हा पिंक कलरचा झाला. ओके. आता जेव्हा मी याला उघडते, तर when I open my folder, I'm inside the folder. Now in this folder, I can put multiple things. Okay, so how do I do that? So inside the folder, if I right click, if you don't want to right click, you can also click on new. Okay, and when you click on now, what do you want to do here? Do you want to create a folder here? Do you want to upload a file here? Do you want to open a Google Doc or sheet or slide here? So all that you can do, whatever you feel like doing here. Now, I'll also teach you how to do a file upload. Let's suppose I have to do a file upload. When I click on file upload, it asks me what do I want to upload. Let's suppose I want to upload a picture. Okay, so I've got access to all these. My folders on my computer. And now I'm looking for an image that I want to upload. Let's suppose I want to upload this image. I click on open, uploading one item. So I've got it uploaded. Now if I go back, this is the inner wheel folder that I have. I click here. I've got my folder and this is the image that I had uploaded. So maybe like you want to put an album. Let's suppose there was a birthday celebration or maybe some other celebration, and you want to put all the pictures together. You can create one folder, name it according to the celebration or occasion, and add all the images to that. You can also make use of Google Photos. For that, we will be discussing Google Photos later. Is this part clear? Any doubts? फोल्डर बनवायला आपण कायम न्यू प्लस न्यू वर क्लिक करतो आणि आपण त्याच्यावर फोल्डर क्लिक केला की आपला फोल्डर क्रिएट होतो आणि त्या फोल्डरमध्ये मग आपल्याला जे काही घालायचं असेल आपण तो ओपन करून क्रिएट आपण नाव लिहून क्रिएट क्लिक करायचं आणि मग परत त्याच्यात सब फोल्डर्स आपण बनवू शकतो. वी कॅन क्रिएट अनदर फोल्डर ऑल्सो इन दिस. सपोज इनर व्हील में आई वॉन्ट टू क्रिएट अनदर सब फोल्डर. Oh, sorry, I was uploading. Get it? Let's suppose in this only you want to, let's suppose you are doing a wedding photos you are putting. So you want to put them day wise. So maybe you can, like, I want to put it as day one folder. Okay. So I've got a folder here. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to share your folder, and I'm going to share this folder with you people. What you have to do is you have to access this folder and you have to create your own subfolder in it and write your name and color code it. Okay. So I've already created this folder यहाँ पे on my drive. What now? I have to give access. Abhi, because we all are in a class, we want to share it. There are two ways of sharing it. Either you give them only viewing rights. Viewing rights में क्या होता है? They can only view, but they cannot change anything in your folder. Or you can give them editing rights. Editing rights में what happens is they can also add their own things into your folder. Now I want you all to make your own folders, your own subfolders in InnerWheel. So what would I do? Whether I'll give you viewing rights or I'll give you editable rights.
Editing.
Edit.
Edit rights, right? Good. So I'm going to give you editable rights. So how do we do that? So always when you right click on a folder, the option that you get is share. So when you click on share, now once the classroom is in place where you all have joined, so I will add the group to it. Abhi I'm not doing that. So this has to go to you people. How do I share my folder with you people? With the help of a link. So how do I get a link? So when I see, either I add people, let's suppose if there are some inner wheel members who are my friends, so if I put, I'm not sure whether, like, okay. Um, since this is a new group, I cannot do it here, but I can definitely show it here. Let's suppose this is the inner wheel folder and I want to share it with people. Okay, now I want to share it with, so as soon as I put RAC, like basically they are all my inner wheel friends, so their names have popped up. Okay, let me look for a particular name. I don't want any of these because it's difficult, or maybe I can put choose. I don't have Rachna. They all are here only. Okay, so maybe if I look for here, I have all the inner wheel members here. So Amrita, Madhvi, all the members are there. So I can simply put the names here. If I don't want to do this, the whole thing, maybe I can put names of a few people. For instance, if I want to put Abhay, so I have, so I've got Abhay Parasnis, so I can add him. I can add Shubham. So they didn't see. So I can add Shubham like that. If I don't want to do that, because like right now, you people, not all of you are on my list. So what do I do to share? What I'm going to do is I am going to get a link for everyone. So I'm going to change to anyone with the link. Now you can always restrict this. I want everyone of you to access the link. So I'll put change to anyone with the link. Okay. Now, I keep the viewer rights? No, I give you the editing rights. So I've made you editor. Okay, so anyone who has the link is an editor. Now I am done with this. So I have to copy the link. Okay, now I'm going to share this link with you people. You have to click on this link. You have to click link वर click करा आणि तुम्ही माझ्या ड्राईव्ह मध्ये येणार, GC ड्राईव्ह मध्ये येणार. तिथे येऊन access the inner wheel folder. Inside the folder, you have to create your own folder. You have to create your own folder. तुम्हाला तुमचा स्वतःचा एक फोल्डर क्रिएट करायचा आहे. त्याच्यावर तुमचं नाव द्या. Okay, so Shubhangi will write her name, Shivani will write her name like that, and you color code it. Change the color of the folder. Whichever color you want, you have to add that color to the folder. Rachna has already created one. Rachna, color code it. Good. Change the color of the folder. All of you, please give colors to your folders.
Shruti,
Jessica,
that is what I wanted to add. Like you can do it in Mac also. This is for Shivani because I am using
yeah.
Mac and I have
Okay.
Mac.
You cannot do it in Mac.
I can do it. I'm using Mac. I have done it in Mac.
Okay. Then right click. What did you do?
Right click. I right clicked and I did it. Same
Okay.
way we do it on any laptop. I have
Any
done it
laptop.
on-
Yeah.
Yeah.
So Shivani, that helps your. I hope that that resolves the issue. Rachna and Jessica, very well done. Well, like you were very quick at it. But I want you to change the colors as well. Color code your folders.
I think I did that.
But it's not visible to me. Or maybe it's not visible. Like, is it visible to you at your end? What color have you put?
It is pink color. I have given pink.
Okay, so
Wait,
maybe I cannot
the
see
color
it here.
again.
Maybe I cannot see it here.
Ma'am, I have
Then,
given green color. If you can
okay,
see it.
so okay, we'll do one thing. I'll stop presenting and you all share your screens and quickly show me
Okay.
the colors that you have created. And I will, in the end, I'll show you your folders there safe in the inner wheel group.
Shruti,
In
why
the
don't you
inner
do
wheel
one thing?
folder.
You call out the name and then we can present the share.
Yeah,
Share our
okay,
screen.
yeah. So first of all, like let me go by names. Jessica.
Yes, ma'am. I've changed the color.
I want you to share your screen and show the green color because we cannot do it here. I am unable to see here. I think, yeah, that is the issue. We cannot check on our side because for me, unless if I change the color, they will, because it is my right. So I have the rights. But now you have
Okay.
done it. Yeah, share the screen and show us quickly. Someone wanted me, Neeraja, you wanted me to give you a few examples of a good password.
Now you'll have to help me. I'm not able to right click.
Ma'am, can you see my screen?
Not yet, Jessica. Yeah.
Shivani,
Yeah.
you'll have to go into system settings, system preferences. Shivani, this is for you to have right click accessibility. You'll have to go into system preferences.
Where is it?
You'll be seeing an icon like a setting icon which we have on the phone. Same way we'll have an icon. System preferences.
Wait.
Okay, when you click on it, you'll be able to see trackpad.
Yes, you have colored it blue, Jessica. We can see that. Good.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Next, Rachna.
System preferences, I went.
And
Yeah.
then go into trackpad.
Okay. Yashodhara ji, maybe you can share your screen and show us your folder.
And then you can change it over there.
1 second, I can't see trackpad. Should I go into general or something or access?
No, once you go into system preferences, you'll be able to see everything like displays, energy saver, keyboard. Second row from the top, keyboard, mouse, and trackpad. Can you see that?
Trackpad I can see.
Yeah. Can you click on that?
Yeah.
Yeah. Then I think you'll be able to change everything, whatever you need.
Look up trackpad. So where do I go for right click?
Rudy, can you help me out? Where do you go for right click?
Yes.
Should I share my screen?
Yeah, just a minute. Give me a minute.
Maybe we can do it later, not during the session. Shivani and Rachna, maybe you both can connect and help one another.
Later on, I'll explain it to you. We'll do it on WhatsApp. We'll do it later on.
Okay,
Yeah,
thank you.
right now, I'll share my screen and show the folder. I'm
Yeah.
really sorry for that.
Thank you very much. I understand we all are eager to help one another, but like we have some limitations.
So, Shruti, I'm supposed
Yeah.
to share my entire
You have to
screen or
only the tab will do. Only the tab will do.
Okay.
Neeraj, Neeraja, I have put some ID, like some passwords. Am I right? Am I right? Hashtag 24 question mark. So I will remember it as am I right? But like when I'm writing, so it is easier to remember as well as to, yes, yeah, you have colored it green. Good. So I hope everyone has understood how to create a folder and how to color code it. Now I want you all to just add any one file to your folder. It could be an image, it could be a doc, and a spreadsheet, anything that you have. You can add anything from your laptop or your mobile. You can just add anything. I would suggest not adding any of your personal photos, though. And I'll share the screen also so that you all can see like who is adding what. Let me also see how many of you have um, uploaded opened videos. Yeah, okay, only four folders have come so far. कोणाला प्रॉब्लेम असेल जर मला मराठीमध्ये सांगायचं तर प्लीज सांगा आणि जर तुम्हाला इफ यू आर फाइंडिंग एनी डिफिकल्टी जर तुम्हाला फोल्डर बनवण्यात प्रॉब्लेम येत असेल तर मला सांगा मी तुम्हाला सांगतो मदत करते
श्रुती मराठीमध्ये परत एकदा एक्सप्लेन करशील
हो फोल्डर बनवायला तुम्हाला काय करायचं पहिले ते लिंक क्लिक करा म्हणजे तुम्हाला हा फोल्डर मोठा मेन फोल्डर मध्ये तुम्ही आलात की तुम्हाला न्यू वर क्लिक करायचं आहे न्यू वर क्लिक केलं की सगळ्यात वर तुमचं फोल्डर लिहिलेलं आहे तुम्ही त्या फोल्डरला क्लिक करा आणि तुम्हाला याला आपलं नाव लिहायचंय ओके जसं मी माझा फोल्डर बनवते तर मी माझं नाव लिहिते श्रुती आणि क्रिएटला क्लिक करायचंय हा श्रुतीचा फोल्डर तयार झाला आता याला तुम्हाला कलर पण करायचा तर परत त्याला राईट क्लिक करायचं राईट क्लिक केल्यानंतर चेंज कलर आहे आपल्याजवळ जसंच आपण चेंज कलर करतो आपल्याजवळ हे सगळे ऑप्शन्स आहेत मला हा कलर चूज करायचा लायलॅक तर मी लायलॅक कलर चूज करेन तर माझा आता कारण की माझी ड्राईव्ह आहे तर तुम्ही लोकांचे फोल्डर्स कलर नाही दिसणार पण ते जसं रचनाने दाखवलं तिच्याकडे तो ग्रीन दिसत होता रसिकाकडे तिचा ब्लू दिसत होता तर तुमच्याजवळ तो कलर कोडेड दिसणार
Okay, Shruti, one doubt. Can I
Yes,
ask?
please go ahead.
Mansi.
This is all that I'm going to teach today. So, like, I'm open to resolve your queries as well. Please go ahead.
हा आता समजा आता माझ्याकडे नेट इश्यू आहे राईट सो आय एम ऑपरेटिंग फ्रॉम मोबाईल तर मोबाईल वरती मला तो करता येत नाहीये
मोबाईलवर जर करायचं आहे तर आता चॅट मध्ये आपली लिंक तर दिसत आहे राईट तिला कॉपी करा आणि
लिंक वरती ओपन केलं की लिंक वरती श्रुती लिंक वरती मी तुझी टाकली होती चॅट मध्ये ती लिंक मी ओपन केली मोबाईल वरती ओके त्याच्यामध्ये ज्यांनी फोल्डर तयार केले ते मला सगळे ऍड होत आहेत आय माय सेल्फ हॅव नो ऑप्शन ॲज न्यू फोल्डर
ओके नाही आता लाईक मोबाईलवर वर तुम्हाला राईट किंवा लेफ्ट मध्ये कुठेतरी ना किंवा तर न्यू असेल किंवा डॉट्स असतील आणि डॉट्स क्लिक केल्यावर ऍड न्यू फोल्डर किंवा असं ऑप्शन असायला पाहिजे
नाहीये माझ्या फोन मध्ये तरी नाहीये कारण मी सगळं ट्राय केलं जे
माझ्यासाठी पण नाहीये कॅप्टन्स वगैरे बरंच काय काय येतंय पण ऍड फोल्डर नाहीये
ऍड फोल्डर नाहीये
एक मिनिट मी चेक करते माझ्या ड्राईव्ह वरनं मला वाटतं मला हा
कारण हे
पाहिजे
शेअर स्क्रीन येतंय शो कॅप्शन येतंय
So
तुम्ही लोकांना ड्राईव्ह ओपन झालेली दिसते
हो, ड्राईव्ह ओपन झाली आणि आता माझ्या समोर 4 फोल्डर्स पण दिसत आहेत मला, ज्याने ज्याने टाकलेत ते.
ओके. आता तुम्हाला
जेसिका,
तुमच्या
रचना,
ओके हा
शिवानी,
अच्छा
प्रीती, यशोदा.
राईट साइड मध्ये बॉटम राईटला एक प्लस दिसतोय.
बॉटम राईट मध्ये कुठे प्लस आहे?
कलरफुल प्लस
कुठेच
आहे,
नाहीये.
सर्कल मध्ये
नाहीच
प्लस
आहे.
असायला पाहिजे.
नाहीये.
हा मला आला.
हा, जर त्या प्लसला क्लिक केलं तर फोल्डर दिसेल.
हेच आहे का नाही श्रुती? पण श्रुती तुझं प्रेझेंटेशन दिसते लॉंग
मी
हे
मी
करायला.
मी मी शेअरिंग स्टॉप
हा
करते.
So Shruti, I managed
हाँ.
to color my folder and add a file onto it.
ओके गुड. राजश्री स्क्रीन शेअर कर.
स्क्रीन शेअर करू. हा केली.
फोल्डरवर जा,
केली.
ड्राईव्हवर जा. ड्राईव्ह ऍक्सेस करू शकली होती ना चॅट वरनं क्लिक करून.
Click.
मी शेअर केली माझी स्क्रीन.
नाही, स्क्रीन शेअर केली. ते 3 डॉट्स क्लिक करून चॅट वर जा. मन
स्टॉप शेअर.
इन कॉल मेसेजेस असायला पाहिजे. इन कॉल मेसेजेसला क्लिक कर, फर्स्ट ऑप्शन.
नाहीये ग माझ्याकडे काही असं.
अरे वर मला दिसतोय ना इन कॉल मेसेजेस. 3 डॉट्सला क्लिक कर.
3 डॉट्सला क्लिक केलं त्याच्यामध्ये परत सेम
सगळ्यात
येतंय.
वर सगळ्यात पहिला लेफ्ट वर जो एक आहे इन कॉल मेसेजेस लिहिलेलं आहे. एक
कॉल
दोन
मेसेजेस
चॅट.
आहे.
हा, आता ती ड्राईव्ह आहे श्रुती पारसनीसच्या खाली 11 मिनिट्स वर.
हा
त्याला क्लिक कर.
हा केलं. क्रोम मध्ये जाऊ ना.
हा, क्रोम मध्ये जा.
हा केले. पण मग मी
ड्राईव्हला क्लिक
ड्राईव्ह.
कर.
हा हा आले. ओपनिंग गुगल ड्राईव्ह.
प्लस दिसतोय.
प्लस प्लस हा दिसतोय.
हा, प्लसला क्लिक कर.
केला.
फोल्डर
फोल्डरला जाऊ.
फोल्डरवर क्लिक कर.
केलं.
नाव लिह राजश्री.
हम्म.
Manasi, I hope you're getting it now.
No, I'm not getting.
राजश्री क्रिएट
झालं.
No, I'm not getting, dear.
Uh, you can see all these things. You are able to see the plus there at the bottom right.
No, I cannot see any plus.
अच्छा राजश्री, त्याला राईट क्लिक करून कलर चेंज, बघ चेंज कलरचा ऑप्शन आला. I'll ask you to share the screen. Okay. Others, I want like those who have already created the folders, please add something to your folders. कुठलाही कलर सिलेक्ट कर.
Shruti, I have done it. I have added a file in the folder. Can you please share?
Yeah, I'll definitely check.
येस श्रुती मस्त जमलं.
Okay. आता stop sharing. Manasi, please share your screen. Okay.
हॅलो. मी
Uh,
पण
Rachna, yes, fighter planes in your folder. Very good. Jessica, have you uploaded? Nothing yet.
Okay, मी माझा स्क्रीन शेअर करू.
हो. Neeraja. So,
You are sharing your screen. Okay, now
yeah.
I'll go in messages.
Yeah, go in messages. Like reach till there where you can see my where you
Yeah.
can see everyone's folder. Very
हे
good,
बघ.
Shivan. You've shared a screenshot of this meeting. Very well done.
हे बघ, हे असं आलंय माझं.
एक मिनिट, मी बघते. एक मिनिट. Good job, Yashoda. Please do. Yeah, I'm trying to help. Yeah, just a minute. Let me just access. Yeah.
बाकीच्यांना पण ज्यांना मराठी हवंय त्यांनी लक्ष द्या बरं का आता.
हे जे 3 डॉट्स आहेत इथे क्लिक करून बघूया. मानसी, टॉप
हे बघ.
लेफ्ट सॉर्ट बाय
Sort
नेम.
by.
ओके, सॉर्ट आहे. ओके, टायलिंग लिस्टला क्लिक कर.
ही वाली.
हा. ओके फक्त लॉंग प्रेस करून बघ बहुतेक तसा जर आला तर राईट क्लिक किंवा म्हणजे काही असेल ज्याचं लॉंग प्रेस करायला स्क्रीन ही आहे ना तुझी इंटरॅक्टिव्ह स्क्रीन आहे बहुतेक
तिथे काहीच नाहीये ह्याच्यावर
हे काय आहे होम क्लिक कर जरा जो होम बटन आहे
विच वन हियर डाऊन
लेफ्ट हाँ
डाऊन
bottom left right extreme left
bottom left it will go into this thing it is here
okay go back
yeah so this is that
to अच्छा this is your second screen that you're doing this is
yes
click on this what is this click on this
which one
the next to the people icon
hey
before the people icon two लिहिलंय ना त्याच्या next
this one oh it's something
अच्छा
different
it is showing your folder which mobile is this like if I may ask
Redmi आहे ग
Redmi आहे मी चेक करते आणि मी उद्या सांगते
okay fine
okay I'll definitely check and I'll let you know tomorrow
okay thank you yeah
could you all do it I'm glad that Shivani, like there's a parallel class going on between Shivani and Rachna, and Shivani is a happy student, a very happy learner, and Rachna has aced it as a trainer. So very well done.
I know, I'm so grateful for because I'm struggling with this.
I am so sorry, Shruti ji. I've joined in a little late. I just forgot I was supposed to join. So
Yeah, okay. So like I hope you all have understood how to create a folder, how to create a subfolder and upload a document or a file in it. Any image, document, spreadsheet, Excel, PDF, all of them are called as a file. And this yellow thing that you saw, that is a folder. Inside a folder, all your files go. So it's like the in a almirah, like you have different cupboards or different shelves, and things go in those. Okay, similar to that. Okay, or maybe multiple drawers. So that is all. Yes.
See, what I wanted to say is that you're like, I mean, I don't know, I pressed that, what you have the red thing to cut the window, and I got logged out of the Google Meet also. So you like, I mean, I just got disconnected completely. So is there some kind of a setting or?
I don't think there is any setting into it, but I'll let you know. What were you doing exactly when you got logged out?
No, basically, you know how you minimize the window, you also cancel the window, the red.
Right. So maybe you cancelled this window by mistake, and that's why you were logged out.
No, I got logged out of all the tabs together. So like right now, like I have two tabs on, which is one my Gmail from which I logged into this meeting. So if I see on top, I have two tabs. So by mistake, like because I thought my screen started.
So like whenever you're closing, you have to.
I didn't realize that you told.
Yeah. So like whenever you are closing, you close a specific tab. If you close there, extreme right wala, everything will get closed because you're closing the whole thing.
Okay.
So you close your Google browser only, or like Chrome browser or Firefox or whatever browser you have. You actually close that.
The meet also gets disconnected then.
Yeah, everything will get disconnected. You must have logged out from everything. Okay, I understood what you're trying to say. So let me
like normally how if you're logging out of Zoom, it gives you even by mistake, if you click, it'll ask you, are you sure you want to leave the meeting, or like there's a chance to like.
Yeah, I understood. No, see, I think I am not very sure about this one, but if you have closed from here, even Zoom would not ask you. If you closed a tab on any of the tabs, then maybe they'll ask. Okay, the screen was not shared. Sorry. So if you're closing it from here, then everything will get closed. When you're closing a tab, particular tab, just I click here, so only this gets closed. So maybe you clicked all of it. Okay, so that's all for the time being, children. I'm so sorry. I'm so used to saying children all the time. So that's all for the time being, fellow learners. What we are going to do is like today, there's this assignment for you people. You all are going to create your own folders in your G Drive, and you're going to upload color code it. You have to name it, color code it, and upload one file in your folder. That is all that you have to do, and maybe you can like, whoever wishes can share it on the WhatsApp group. Maybe you can just go also like whenever evening mein when I'm free and relaxed, maybe I can scroll down and give my comments. Good job, not good job, needs more work, very well done, whatever.